Types of vegans. Do you know what types of vegans exist? Watch on. 1. Ethical vegans. These individuals adopt a vegan diet and lifestyle for ethical reasons, as they believe it is wrong to use and exploit animals for human purposes. 2. Environmental vegans. These individuals adopt a vegan diet and lifestyle for environmental reasons, as they believe animal agriculture contributes significantly to environmental issues such as greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water pollution. 3. Health vegans. These individuals adopt a vegan diet and lifestyle for health reasons, as they believe a plant-based diet can prevent or even reverse chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. 4. Religious vegans. These individuals adopt a vegan diet and lifestyle as part of their religious or spiritual beliefs. For example, some Buddhists, Jains, and Hindus practice veganism as a way to promote non-violence and compassion for all living beings. 5. Economic vegans. These individuals adopt a vegan diet and lifestyle due to economic reasons, such as affordability or food accessibility. 6. Aesthetic vegans. These individuals adopt a vegan diet and lifestyle primarily for aesthetic reasons, such as maintaining a certain body shape or image. 7. Social justice vegans. These individuals adopt a vegan diet and lifestyle as part of their commitment to social justice issues, such as worker rights, animal welfare, and food justice.